can I say something here? I want to address Mr. Douglas's issue with the legal opinion. Last meeting, I asked you if you got a legal opinion, and you said you had the legal opinion. That was on 7/20. I'm going to read what you said. The full subcommittee has voted to establish a subcommittee and delegate its authority to subcommittee. The subcommittee is not authorizing any expenditures. The full council has approved the engagement letters and authorized legal expenses as necessary. The town charter explicitly authorizes the town council. Hold on a second. So, I got the legal opinion because I asked for it, and I got it from you. And the legal opinion was dated July 21st. Now, I read the entire legal opinion. I don't find anything that you said that was in the legal opinion. But what I find interesting is we're paying an attorney $500 an hour plus whoever else helps him write this. And it says the town council shall act in all matters as a body. Town Charter 4.8, pursuant to 4.19. I reviewed the entire town charter. I don't find any 4.19. So I don't know what this attorney is referring to.
I believe the town charter was renumbered.
Well, he says 4.19. I look at it, there's no 4.19. It also says the subcommittee will report to the full council. We have not received any report from the two of you as far as what is going on with legal. In the email, I also get this email about he's looking at reorganization plans. I don't know when we talked about having an attorney looking at reorganization plans. So I continue to look at his email, and I find it's typical lawyer stuff. They don't put everything in there. They leave parts of it out. He writes in here, the town council may receive such reports or considered other privileged or confidential information as closed session outside the presence of the town manager. Town Charter 4.16. The manager shall attend all meetings of the council unless excused by the council. He ends it there. If you continue reading the charter, it says the manager shall have the right to take part in the discussion of all matters before the council, but not a right to vote. I just find it interesting how attorneys will put certain things in there and then just leave it out. And it also says, therefore, prior to any legal matter that could result in any new engagement of financial obligation.
Okay, hold on, yeah.
No,
point of order.
no.
Yeah, I have a point of order. Are you disclosing?
I'm not disclosing anything.
Privileged
No, I'm not.
information?
No, I'm not.
I'm just for the record.
Okay.
Okay, good, Dan.
We talk about in the charter, we act as a body, not as two people. So I got a whole bunch of questions. How much have we spent to date on these investigations? And did the subcommittee that you established give the attorney a blank check? Because how much are we paying for this stuff? I mean, all of a sudden, there's other stuff coming up that we're investigating this, investigating that. But are any counselors here under investigation? Can you answer that?
No, I can't.
You can't answer if counselors are under investigation. So apparently, we have counselors that are under investigation.
I
If
said
you can't
nothing.
answer it. Because it's not hard to say no. I know that. The investigation that was completed, I was under investigation. I had no idea. So I think the people have a right to know, you know, when are these investigations going to end? It's been like 6 months of investigations, all this secret squirrel stuff. Why isn't the entire council not being included in the legal correspondence? We had discussed this. We said, as a council, everybody's going to get everything from the attorney. We're not getting nothing, even though he says you're supposed to, let us know. Unless you're just doing it, the three of you, and you're not letting Councilor Paul and myself know, because neither one of us know what's going on here. So are you going to answer any of these questions, or you're going to choose not to answer as usual?
I'm not going to answer.
These have been answered.
All right.
They've been answered. How much we spent to date? You haven't answered that.
Okay, Dan.